Hi everybody, welcome back. Well, I finally finished the 75 millimeter figure, the Witch's Brew from Redpiano Miniatures. I got this off of a Kickstarter a couple of years ago and finally got around to painting it, so I thought I would show you what it looked like. Hold on one second, I'm going to zoom out, pull this away, oops, and readjust a little bit. Sorry for all the funky camera angles, folks. This is not working the way I thought it would. Okay, here it is. It's finished. Bring it up close so everybody can see it. There we go. This is a combination of oils and acrylic. Most of the acrylics was done with Pro Acryl paints. A friend of mine recommended them. Thank you, Sean. And I have ditched just about every other acrylic paint that I have outside of my artist acrylics. I've thrown out all the Vallejo, all the Reaper, GW. What else did I have? Scale 75, Ammo, all of them gone. Tossed them all, and there's no better paint right now I can find than the Pro Acryl. I even got rid of oh crap, what the hell is the name of that? The stuff from Italy. I can't remember the name of it now. Anyway, all of it gone. Throwing it all out. But here you go, folks. This was a fun project. There's lots of detail in this. I thought the figure turned out really good. I'm liking the way the cloak came out. All the mushrooms, different colors for the mushrooms, the staff. I really like how the horns came out. Let me see if I can zoom in on those a little bit so you can actually see them a little bit better. I really like how the horns came out. Get a little bit better close-up of the figure itself. There we go, get a little focus going here. Like I said, this was just a fun figure to paint. A little bit better close up here. Yep. Like I said, just fun. And yeah, another project done. I hope everybody is doing well. Things here have been moving along kind of nicely on spring break here, and just in trying to enjoy all the wet weather. Even though it's spring, feels like it's going to snow a couple of times, but it hasn't. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody that was in Georgia and those areas is safe from all the tornadoes that were happening. Hope everybody's okay if you live in that area or if you have family in that area. So yeah, real quick reveal video of the Witch's Brew. I hope everybody is, again, doing well. Thank you for all the subs lately, all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for sticking around. I know my content has been a little slow and a little haphazard. Working on that. And yeah, we'll just keep things going. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.